Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nail Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark and in this video we're going to do a Christmas bauble nail. So I'm going to paint the full extension white for a base. Because it always just looks better against white. We'll do 2 coats of this. Pop that in the lamp. So I'm going to take a little bit of top coat for the bauble. And there's 3 different glitters here, we'll list them down below, but I'm just going to add a little bit of each to the top coat. Because I like to be different and messy for no reason.
Truthful.
Mix that up. Oh, you could paint your walls with that.
You would, wouldn't you?
I really would. Bit more top coat. But you want your bauble to be a few different colours anyway. Just paint a circle. Oh, that's a pretty bauble. Common colours.
After you moaned at me.
I know, I take it back. It's the best possible outcome, that. Pop that in.
That's mint, that.
No, it's lovely, isn't it? Then we're going to use burlesque for the bow. And we're going to start in the middle, bring your bow right up. On the bauble. And down. Same on the other side. Good red for a bauble.
You approve.
I do. Fill this bit in the middle for the centre of the bow. Pop that in the lamp. Then we're going to mix a little bit of black into some top coat to shade. And we're just going to bring the shading round here. Make the top of the bow. Same on the other side. A little bit down the edges, the corners, just to define them a little bit. And round the centre of the bow. That on the lamp. And we'll use a little bit of white just to add some highlight lines. And the black again for the string. Pop that in. Now we're going to add some beautiful diamonds because Ella loves diamonds.
Can't get enough of them, can you?
Oh, obsessed, honestly.
We're only putting a couple on Ella, don't worry.
How many diamonds is too many diamonds?
Well, there's no such thing, Drew, between you and me.
Well, if we all looked at that skull nail, there's never enough diamonds.
There, that's all you get. I mean, it's not painful, is it? Go on, you can stick it in and let it dry, you know you want to. Right, we'll finish this off with some top coat. Very simple bauble and bow design. Oh, are you joking? Well, I can stick them back on with this. You were hoping that would happen, weren't you?
Where's the other one stuck?
Well, now the radar won't come off because they're on the top coat, so...
Fucked it.
There you go, still got him.
Still there.
No, you don't get away that easy. We're going to use Ice Lemon Cuticle Oil on this one. And there you have it. Gorgeous.
Stunning.
Hope you all enjoyed that video. If there's any other Christmas designs you would like to see, please comment down below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. What glitters did you get me?
Yeah.
Oh, glitter gel.
I asked twice.
Did you? It's all right.
like,
it's all right.
gel.
I'll play that. It's all right. I'll do it. I'll mix it with top coat.
Alright.
Friggin' hell.
Add a bit longer.
Friggin' hell.
Yeah, just
Ella loves diamonds.
I can't escape
you
her though.
wake up in a hot sweat with like
Yeah.
diamonds getting shaken in your face.
I see you in my nightmares with them fucking diamonds.
Coming at ya. What is Christmas all about? Bling.